Most people think rich investors pay more taxes. I used to think the same thing. I mean, it sounds logical, right? If you make more money, you should pay more. But then I came across something that completely changed how I see money. A lot of wealthy investors legally pay less tax than the average person. Not because they're cheating, not because they're hiding money, but because they understand something most people don't. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. When I first started investing, I was focused on one thing: making money. That was the goal. Grow my account, pick the right investments, increase my income. Simple. But after a while, I noticed something strange. There were people making good money and still struggling, and there were others making similar amounts, but building real wealth. At first, it didn't make sense until I realized making money is one game. Keeping it is a completely different game. Think about it like this. Every time you earn money, a part of it leaves you. And if you don't pay attention to that, you can work harder, earn more, and still feel stuck. That's when I started looking deeper, not at how people make money, but how they keep it. One of the biggest differences I found is how income is structured. Most people earn money from a salary. You work, you get paid, and taxes taken out. Simple. But investors? They don't rely only on that. Their money comes from different places: investments, assets, ownership. And here's the interesting part. Not all income is treated the same. So two people could technically earn the same amount, but one ends up keeping more. And that difference adds up over time. Then there's the way they invest. A lot of beginners start with short-term thinking. Buy, sell, quick profit. It feels productive. But what I didn't realize at the beginning is, the faster you move your money, the more it gets eaten up. That's why many experienced investors slow things down. They hold. They stay patient. They focus on long-term growth. That's why you'll hear people talk about simple strategies like buying the market through funds like VTI. Not flashy, not exciting, but efficient. Because sometimes boring wins. And then there's something that really changed my perspective. The question most people ask is, how much did I make? But the better question is, how much do I actually keep? That one shift changes everything. Because now you start thinking differently. You start paying attention to where your money goes. You start choosing things that don't just grow your money, but protect it too. That's why some investors lean toward things like dividend-focused funds such as SCHD. Not because it's trendy, but because it aligns with their strategy. Now here's the part that surprised me the most. And honestly, most people never hear about this. Some investors don't even sell their investments when they need money. Think about that. Instead of selling and triggering taxes, they find ways to access money while keeping their investments intact. So their money stays invested. It keeps growing, and they don't interrupt that process. It's a completely different way of thinking. And this is where things really start to connect. Because over time, it's not just about how much you lose to taxes once. It's about what that money could have become. If money leaves your hands today, it also loses the chance to grow tomorrow. And when you stretch that over years, the gap becomes huge. Another thing I noticed is how differently they think about the system itself. Most people just accept things the way they are. Earn money, pay tax, repeat. But investors? They study the system. They look for efficiency. They ask better questions. Not to avoid responsibility, but to understand how everything works. Because when you understand the rules, you start making better decisions naturally. Now, this doesn't mean you need to do anything complicated. That's the interesting part. A lot of this comes down to simple shifts. Thinking long-term instead of short-term. Choosing better investments. Being more intentional. You don't need millions to start thinking like this. You just need awareness. At the end of the day, the biggest difference isn't income. It's strategy. Two people can make the same money, but the one who understands how to keep more of it will always move ahead. So instead of just asking, how can I make more money? Start asking, how can I keep more of what I earn? Because that's the question that changes everything. And once you start thinking that way, you're no longer just earning money. You're building wealth. If you want to take this seriously, start simple. Learn the basics. Stay consistent. Think long-term. Because the goal isn't just to make money once. It's to keep it and grow it over time. That's how the game really works.